Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna install this top case today in the Busa, and we're gonna have fun, you know what I'm saying?
Hi, I need 2 baconators.
We have the bracket here, instructions. It says 2008 to 2010, but we all know that this bike was made from 08 to 2020, so that covers it. And this bracket is made by GIVI. This is a very good brand for this kind of type of stuff. And this is a box. I cheaped out a little bit. I didn't get a GIVI one because those were too expensive. I'm not gonna use it that much, I don't think, but you never know. So this was like 80 bucks. I like this one because it has a pad here, a backrest for the passenger. If you buy a GIVI or GIVI, whatever, you have to buy this separate. It's got a nice handle here if you want to carry it. It comes with 2 keys. And this is a bracket that bolts to the bracket. Okay, let's see if one helmet fits at least. Bada beam, bada boom. Look at that. I'm gonna start by removing the seat. And then the passenger handlebar. Okay, now they want you to use this one, number 15. So number 15 is this guy over here. This goes like this. And then they want you to put this big washer like that. But this is where they get a little bit dopey, because when you put this on, there's a gap here. So really the washer doesn't do anything. And then there's a gap on top. But if I put the washer here, and then I have the other washer here. So if you put the 2 washers, that fixes that problem kind of. But the problem is, they only give you 2 of these washers. So I'm gonna do it the way they tell you. Use just 1 washer, see how it works. If it doesn't work out good, I'm gonna get 2 more washers. Okay, like this, and then like this. And then you take this long one for here. And then the shorter one, it goes here. And I'm gonna leave these loose until I put everything, and then I'm gonna make them tight. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. Okay, these puppies are in place. Next, I'm gonna remove this bushalanga here and that one. Okay, now I'm gonna take these 2 puppies. One is gonna go here and one over here. Okay, next off, this bracket with the letters here that says only holds 6 kilograms or 13 pounds. This one goes on the left side where your shifter is. And same thing with these bolts here, leave them loose. At the end, we're gonna make everything tight. Now it's time for the handles. So this 90-degree part versus this one, this is gonna be towards the rear of the bike, just like that. Grab this screw with a washer. That's gonna go here. And then that bolt is gonna go in here in this bracket with this nut. And then I'm gonna use this bolt with another washer for the front of the handlebar right here. Alright guys, the mounting bracket is on. Now I'm gonna make all the bolts tight. It's very important that you do it in the order I show you to make sure everything seats in nice. So very first, I'm gonna tighten the handle bolts. Next off, I'm gonna tighten the nut back here. Now I'm gonna go after this one, and then this one, and then this one. Alright, it's time for the mounting plate for the case. It goes this way, and then it's gonna clip in here, and you bolt it over there. But before I put this on, I'm gonna put on the seat, make sure it doesn't interfere if I want to remove the seat. So as you can see here, it's pretty close. So I'm gonna back it up. As you can see, it has these holes here. So I'm gonna line up these squares with the holes that I want. Now if you get the GIVI case, the plate matches perfect with these holes here, so that's like real easy to do. So I'm gonna get these square thingies. Now they give you these bolts that go here, obviously, but if you look underneath, they stick out a good amount. Not only that, over here it hits the bracket. I happen to have in stock this bolt here, 20 millimeters versus 40. So these bolties drop on in place, bada bing, bada boom. And then underneath you put this guy facing this way with a washer and a nut. Alright, I got these puppies in. It was a little challenging to put the wing thingy with a washer and a nut because the bolts are a little bit short, but that's the ones that I had in stock here. You can go a little bit longer. Kind of make this straight visually. I notice if I pull it all the way back, it seems to be straight. I'm gonna make all these bolts tight, and that's gonna be it. This guy here is gonna go like this. It's gonna slide in here. This washer is going to go like this way over here, and then this guy holds it. Alright, that's it, it's ready. Looks like a damn bus now. Not bad for $200. It's a nice upgrade. And then you got the handles here for the passenger. That's pretty sturdy. Got the pad here. Okay, and then they give you these caps. They go here. But since I'm gonna be removing this, I won't have this on permanently, only when I do longer trips. Okay, so I was able to fit 2 helmets. But the thing is, the helmet that I use, I have this for the GoPro and this for the Bluetooth. And just that little bit, it won't fit because it barely makes it here. But if you don't use that stuff, they will fit, unless if I try to like rearrange them like a different way. And shout out to Costas from Greece, because he asked me if 2 helmets fit. And I was like, no, but I'm like, oh, let me try again since he asked me. But yeah, let's go for a little ride to see how it feels.
Alright, brewskis, let's try out this top case. Alright, let's see if this top case is good.
You're about to find out. Right about now.
What do you guys think of my shirt?
How can I help you?
Hi, I need 2 baconators. One is gonna be with a pineapple mango lemonade, and then orange soda.
Anything else?
And 4 pieces chicken nuggets.
Will that be all?
Yes.
First one.
Alright, the order is in. Have a tray. Alright, let's go celebrate. Okay, just have to go real easy. I don't want to spill the drinks. Nice and easy. Imagine I start doing a burnout here. Pew pew, motherfuckers. My wife got me this shirt. She must have been like, let me get it for this little gangsta. Man, it's amazing the guy tried to give you the drinks without a tray. What the heck? Okay, I'm curious to see if the drinks spilled or not. I think they're gonna be good. But let's find out. Oh man, they're still intact. Look at that. Wow. I'm not bullshitting you guys. Look at that. That is so cool. I look good today.
Alright guys, that Wendy's was good, but this top case is even better. It handled it like a champion. And like I said before, no spillage. Look at that stripe. That's just like dust from the tray. That's all that is. Okay, and thank you for watching again. And I will see you guys in the next one.